Is your Apple TV constantly freezing, crashing, or overheating? These issues are surprisingly common, especially on older Apple TV 4K and HD models. Let's understand what's happening and fix it immediately. Apple TV freezing can manifest in several ways. You might experience complete system halts requiring restarts, app crashes during streaming or gaming, overheating-induced shutdowns, intermittent black screens, or unresponsive remotes. The primary causes of Apple TV freezing fall into three categories: thermal management issues from poor ventilation, software glitches including corrupted cache files, and hardware degradation in aging components. Now let's fix these issues with 4 immediate solutions that resolve most Apple TV freezing problems. First, try a force restart. For older remotes, hold menu plus home buttons for 6 seconds. For the Siri remote, hold TV or control center plus menu for 6 seconds. Second, perform a power cycle. Unplug the power cable from your Apple TV, wait 30 seconds, then plug it back in. This clears temporary system glitches. Third, check ventilation. Ensure at least 6 inches of clear space around your Apple TV. Remove it from enclosed entertainment centers and keep it away from heat sources. Clean dust from vents regularly. Finally, check for tvOS updates. Go to Settings, then System, then Software Updates. Install any available updates and enable automatic updates to prevent future software-related freezing issues. These 4 immediate solutions resolve most Apple TV freezing issues. Try them in order, and you'll likely see significant improvement in your device's performance and stability. When basic troubleshooting steps don't resolve Apple TV freezing issues, it's time to move to advanced diagnostics and implement comprehensive prevention strategies. First, let's examine storage management. Navigate to Settings, then General, and select Manage Storage to check your available space. Next, test individual apps to identify problematic ones. Launch each streaming app separately and monitor for crashes or freezing behavior. Check your Wi-Fi stability and speed. Unstable network connections can cause streaming apps to freeze or crash unexpectedly. As a last resort, perform a factory reset. This will erase all data and settings, returning your Apple TV to its original state. Now let's focus on prevention strategies to avoid future freezing issues. These fall into 3 main categories. First, optimize your environment. Keep ambient temperature below 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Ensure proper ventilation with at least 6 inches of clearance, and regularly dust your device. Second, maintain your software. Update tvOS and apps monthly, clear caches periodically, and keep at least 20% of storage free. Finally, follow usage best practices. Limit continuous high-performance activities like gaming to 2-hour sessions, power down the device during extended non-use periods, and use wired Ethernet when possible for better stability. By combining advanced troubleshooting techniques with comprehensive prevention strategies, you can ensure optimal Apple TV performance and significantly reduce freezing issues. This proactive approach addresses both immediate problems and long-term device health.